Hi, I'm Alexia Nguyen with the C21 Soul team.
And this is Rich Kwok with the C21 Soul team. And we are in one of the most desirable areas in San Jose. This is Evergreen. Now, Evergreen is known for close proximity to shopping and has one of the best school districts in San Jose.
This home goes to Evergreen High School, Quimby Oak Middle, and Millbrook Elementary.
And one of the favorite things is that you can walk to Millbrook Elementary, and it's only a couple blocks down from the middle school. Now, in addition, this home is on a corner lot. It features plenty of upgrades. You've got new laminate flooring, you've got new paint, new baseboards, and new doors. And tell me what you love about the home.
What I love about this home is it has 2 master suites, one with separate entrance.
Now, this used to be a care home before, so you have 6 bedrooms, and you've also got well-appointed upgrades. So come on in and take a look inside.
Look at how bright this living room is. It has vaulted ceiling, lots of windows, and new laminate floors. It's easy to entertain many guests, as well as it connects to the kitchen with plenty of room for a dining table. And this recently remodeled kitchen has newer tile, which looks like hardwood floor, skylight, new granite countertop, and stainless steel appliances. If you follow me into this first master bedroom with its own bath, you have a very bright private bathroom with stall shower. The seller recently replaced the laminate this year. All interior paintings and exterior are painted with the brightest modern paintings. The house also comes with a security camera, which was previously used as a care home. The sellers are leaving it with us.
So I'm here at the front yard, and one of my favorite features is that you've got a nicely landscaped yard. You've got a rock garden, you've got manicured trees, and it also wraps around slightly to the front, being that it's on a corner lot. So I'm here at the backyard. Now, this backyard has been nicely paved. You've got a canopy, you've got a gazebo, and the best part is that you don't have any neighbors looking in. Now, in addition, there's a new shopping center that's being built, and also close proximity to Pasta Pomodoro, one of my favorite places to eat, as well as Raging Waters. Now, we are in Bogini Park. This is actually really close to the property, only a couple blocks away. Now I'm at Lake Cunningham Park. This consists of one of the largest bodies of artificial water in the Bay Area. It's used for storm and flood control. In addition, there's plenty of picnic areas, and there's also this Lake Cunningham Action Sport Park, which you can do skateboarding as well as rollerblading and so much more activities. The property is also conveniently located next to Raging Waters.
Thank you for taking the tour with us. We look forward to seeing you at this weekend open house, Saturday, Sunday from 1 to 4.